वर्ष 2070 तक भारत नेट जीरो का लक्ष्य हासिल करेगा।
India has promised to cut its mission to net zero by 2070, missing a key goal of the COP26 summit for countries to commit to reach the target by 2050. Prime Minister Narendra Modi made the pledge the first time India has set a net zero target at the Glasgow summit. Net zero or becoming carbon neutral means not adding to the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. China has announced plans for carbon neutrality by 2060, while the US and EU aim to hit net zero by 2050. What is in India's net zero pledge? India is the world's fourth biggest emitter of carbon dioxide after China, the US and the EU. But its huge population means its emission per capita are much lower than other major world economies. India emitted 1.9 tons of CO2 per head of population in 2019, compared with 15.5 ton for the US and 12.5 ton for Russia that year. Mr. Modi made the pledge as one of the 5 commitments from his country. They include a promise for India to get 50% of its energy from renewable resources by 2030 and by the same year to reduce total projected carbon emission by 1 billion tons. While the 2070 net zero target may have disappointed activities and experts in Glasgow, Mr. Modi seems to have impressed the people back home. This is real climate action. Now India demands $1 trillion in climate finance as soon as possible and will monitor not just climate action but also climate finance, Dr. Ghosh said.
क्लाइमेट चेंज पर इस वैश्विक मंथन के बीच मैं भारत की ओर से इस चुनौती से निपटने के लिए 5 अमृत तत्व रखना चाहता हूं, पंचामृत की सौगात देना चाहता हूं। पहला, भारत 2030 तक अपनी नॉन फोसिल एनर्जी कैपेसिटी को 500 गीगावाट तक पहुंचाएगा। दूसरा, भारत 2030 तक अपनी 50% एनर्जी रिक्वायरमेंट रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी से पूरी करेगा। तीसरा, भारत अब से लेकर 2030 तक के कुल प्रोजेक्टेड कार्बन एमिशन में 1 बिलियन टन की कमी करेगा। चौथा, 2030 तक भारत अपनी अर्थव्यवस्था की कार्बन इंटेंसिटी को 45% से भी कम करेगा। और पांचवा, वर्ष 2070 तक भारत नेट जीरो का लक्ष्य हासिल करेगा।
We face a stark choice. Either we stop it or it stops us. And it's time to say enough. Enough of brutalizing biodiversity. Enough of killing ourselves with carbon. Enough of treating nature like a toilet. Enough of burning and drilling and mining our way deeper. We are digging our own graves.